Hello students, now we are moving to the last topic of our lesson. Today's topic is Ghibli and the big box. Here Ghibli is a small ant. This lesson it is given in the third standard, the story about Ghibli. Here we have given the another story of Ghibli. See what is here given. One day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. See the first photos you see, that is Ghibli, and it saw a picture of it saw a box. Now Ghibli moved across and turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. When he saw the one face of the box, there was written 4. When he turned left side, there it was written number 5. Now Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. So when he got confused, when he was confused, he climbed on the top of the box. When he climbed there, he saw the box like this way. That is see the third picture. Then he saw the full faces of the box. Can you guess what that box like things was? Students, which type of box is this? Can you see anywhere this type of box or this type of shape anywhere? Can you guess? Yes, it is the shape of a dice that we are using to play. Dice you are playing? Yes, this is the shape of a dice. So this box is the shape of a dice. So you write there, can you guess what that box look like thing was? Yes, it looks like a dice. The number on the opposite faces of this box added up to 7. That means, students, see that box. The third picture you see, if you count or add the opposite side of these two boxes, we will get the answer 7. That means, suppose the first front side we can see number 4. So what will be the opposite side of that side? Opposite side of this side. So total answer will be 7. So which number was the number opposite faces of this box will get 7. That means 7 minus 4. What will be the opposite side? 3. That means 4 plus the back side will be 3. That means 4 plus 3 is 7. Understood, students? 4 plus 3, 7 getting. So to find the number on the opposite side of this face, we have to subtract 4 from 7. So the answer will get 3. So that is the number opposites of this face. Now you see the question related to this pictures. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Students, we know that if we count 5 this side and the opposite side of that number, it will be 7. The total will be 7. To find that number, you have to subtract 7 minus 5. What is the answer? 7 minus 5 equals 2. So what will be the number opposite of the face 5? It will be 2. It is 2. So you write the answer this way. 7 minus 5, 2. So the number opposite side of 5 is 2. Now see the next question. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? See students, on the top, what is the number? 1. So what will be the number at the bottom? We have to, the same way, we have to find the bottom side's number. Bottom means the lower side. So 7 minus 1. Then what is the answer? 7 minus 1 is 6. So what will be the number on the bottom side? It is 6. You write the answer. The number will be at the bottom is 6. That means if we count 1 plus 6, we will get 7. Like that, 5 plus 2, 7. Now we have to find the number on the opposite side of 4. What will be the number on the opposite side of 4? That will be 3. That we already found. So 4 plus 3, 7. Now see the next question. Which number will be Ghibli see if she again turn left from 5? Students, you see the first and second picture. Observe the picture. You will get the answer from this picture. If you observe. See. First Ghibli saw the number 4. Here the number 4. Here number 4 in this box also see. Now he turned left side. First from the first face to he turned left side. He saw the number 5. Now here the question is asking, if he turn left side once more, what will be the number? So students, we know that the number will be the opposite side of 4. So what is the number opposite side of 4? It is 3. So if Ghibli turn left side again from 5, the answer is 3. So you write the answer. Students, once more I will say, if Ghibli turn left side one more, it will be the opposite side of 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So which number will be on the, if we turn left from 5, answer is 3. Now you see the next question. What will this box look like if you opened it? Mark the correct picture. Here 4 pictures given. We have to select one correct answer from these pictures. That means if you open this box, what type will be this? The correct answer of this, which strips are correct answer for this box? Students, we know that the opposite sides, if we count, the answer we have to get 7. So first you count that this number is 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, we are getting, these are opposite sides. Now top and bottom type, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 7. So this is also 7 getting opposite sides. Now 1 plus 6, the 6 will go, the 1 is the top portion and 6 will be the bottom portion. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. So all the numbers being counted, we get the answer 7. So what is the answer, the correct picture of this box if we open? The option A is the correct box if you open this. Option A is the correct answer. Now second one also we will check. Second and option B, C and D will also we will check. See, opposite of 3 is 4. That is okay, 7. But you see that 5 plus 6, 11 getting. Is it correct? No. Now see this, 1 and 2. Answer getting 7? No. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this option is wrong. Now see the option C. Option C also we will take the opposite numbers. 6 plus 2, 8 getting. Wrong. Now 5 plus 4, opposite sides, 9. That is also not getting the answer 7. So this option is also wrong. 1 plus 3 also getting 4. So this option is also wrong. Now see option D. 5 plus 2, 7. It's okay. But 3 plus 6, opposite side. 3 plus 6 is 9. Wrong. Now another one. 4 plus 3. Sorry. 3 plus 6, 9. That is also wrong. 1 plus 4, 5. That is also not getting the answer 7. So all these 3 options are wrong. That means B, C and D are wrong. And the first option only correct. Now we will move to the next what here given in this page. Try it out. Draw a shape like this on this paper. Cut it out and color the colors. Now one more question is there, but that is not seeing in this page, but in textbook it has given. Can you use this box to play a game? Students, can we use this box to play a game? Yes, sure. Yes, we can use this to play Ludo using this box. Yes, we can use this box to play the Ludo game. You have to write the answer. Students, about this lesson, all the notes I will give in the coming days. So you have to copy all the notes. Now next day onwards we will start the workbook of this lesson. Okay.